Recently, a lot of sellers have been asking me, should I make repairs to my home before I put it on the market? The short answer is yes, you should. We're in the middle of a market that has shifted. And the truth is there aren't as many buyers as there were a few years ago during the peak of the pandemic. The good news is that buyers are still looking to purchase homes. And in this environment, they're often very serious about moving. But due to the higher home prices, higher interest rates, your property needs to be in great condition to stand out. Today, I'm going to share 3 things with you to get your home in perfect market condition before selling. Number 1, have a pre-listing meeting. Meet with your agent. Before you list, go over the repairs that are really worth it and those that are not worth it. Not every fix is worth your hard-earned money. So invest in repairs that will improve your home's condition and give you a higher return on your investment. It might be worth it to pay for a pre-listing inspection. This way you can find out exactly what might turn buyers away and fix it before it hits the market. Number 2, choose between cosmetic and maintenance repairs. Most repairs fall into one of 2 categories, cosmetic repairs and maintenance repairs. Cosmetic repairs are usually optional and won't be a sticking point in negotiations. But those repairs can get you a higher return on your investment if you do them. Then there's the high maintenance repairs. They take longer and require a larger investment, but they often fix major issues that need to be addressed if you want to get good offers from buyers. A good strategy likely involves doing some of each of these things. So work with your realtor. Find a balance that fits your needs. Number 3, proper repairs expand your buyer pool. The condition of your home is the most important factor you control when selling it because it expands that buyer pool. In today's market, there are fewer buyers due to interest rates, higher home prices, but you can still attract a lot of demand in your property if it's in good condition. If you do the proper repairs, you'll have more offers coming in and you're going to have better qualified buyers out there. Work closely with your agent to create a strong marketing strategy, and you might even create a bidding war, naturally driving up your price. I always recommend sellers to do repairs before listing. It's more important in this market than it has ever been. If you're wondering which repairs are worth doing and you want to discuss strategy on how to get your market, give us a call, send us an email. We would love to hear from you.